In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone for your Binance chart. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a newcomer to crypto trading, adjusting the time zone can be crucial for aligning your market analysis with your local time zone. So, let's dive right in and explore this simple yet essential feature on the Binance platform. First, we'll begin by accessing the trading interface on Binance. This is a vital step because the time zone settings are located within this section. You'll want to go directly to the Binance website, where you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you have your login credentials ready for a smooth experience. Once logged in, navigate to the trading page. This is where all the action happens and where you can select the trading pair you are interested in analyzing. Next, you'll need to open the chart. After selecting your desired trading pair, you'll see the chart displayed prominently on the screen. This chart is a visual representation of the market data for the chosen cryptocurrency pair, providing you with valuable insights and aiding your trading decisions. Now, let's move on to changing the time zone itself. At the bottom of the chart, you'll notice a small clock icon. This icon is your gateway to adjusting the time zone settings. Go ahead and click on it. Doing so will open a list of time zone options available to you. Scroll through this list until you find the time zone that corresponds to your location or the one you prefer to work in. Then, simply select it. It's important to note that changing the time zone will recalibrate the time displayed on the chart to reflect your selection. However, it's worth mentioning that this adjustment is purely for display purposes and does not alter the underlying data, which remains based on the Universal Time Coordinated, or UTC+0. This means that no matter what time zone you select, the raw data itself stays consistent, ensuring no discrepancies in the data you're analyzing. And there you have it. By following these clear and straightforward steps, you can easily adjust the time zone of your Binance charts to better align with your trading schedule. This small tweak can make a significant difference in your market analysis and trading efficiency. We hope this guide helps improve your trading experience on Binance. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you found this information helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your crypto trading journey. Until next time, happy trading.